Hello traders and investors. I am Harish, SEBI registered research analyst. As a follower of the channel, kindly read and understand the following disclaimers. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Registration granted by SEBI and certification from NISM and enlistment in RAASB in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to the investors. I myself and or any related person and or associated person have no association in any manner with the recommended company and do not hold any financial interest, actual beneficial ownership of the shares, and not having any material conflict of interest in the recommended stock and the company. Market risk refers to either partial or permanent loss of your investment or portfolio in certain adverse condition or company events. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I do not offer any return guarantee. All content in this channel is for educational purpose only. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763 999 3695. Hello traders and investors. In this video, we are going to see a Heiken Ashi momentum strategy, which is a unique strategy which uses only the Heiken Ashi candle. Rather than normal candle, we are going to use the Heiken Ashi candle and we are going to cut the entire noise of indicators and chart patterns, price action, everything. The candle itself will tell you the trend, bullish trend or bearish trend, and whether there is a momentum in the trend, whether the momentum is gaining or momentum is losing, and clear entry and exit is also defined by the same candle. The simple issue in this Heiken Ashi candle is the open, high, low, close price of normal candle and Heiken Ashi candle is different, which is also we are capturing using only the breakout of the high and low, not any OHLC data is used here. Let us see this in the trading view chart. Now we are in Nifty monthly time frame chart. Initially we will see in the monthly time frame, then we will go down to weekly and daily time frame. Here see, the year is 2012 and 13. Okay, here in Heiken Ashi we see, go to candle patterns. This is candles, normal candles, which will be green and red, and there will be wicks on the side. Based on this, we are defining this as a engulfing pattern, morning star, evening star, doji, like this we will be defining. But if you go here and use the Heiken Ashi pattern, there will be first a trend will be established. See here, for example, in the same period there is only one red candle. If we go to normal candles, there will be 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. Same when you are using the Heiken Ashi candle, the red candle is only one, which in itself is defining a clear trend and reducing a noise of green and red candle coming simultaneously, so that a trader or investor will not get confused and he will hold on to these positions. Okay, so first the noise is reduced by establishing a trend. Then how is this Heiken Ashi candle calculated? It is an average of two candles. For example, this candle is an average of this two candle. This candle is an average of this two candle. And what are the patterns in the Heiken Ashi candle? Here there is only a red and green candle and there is only two pattern. Okay, what is the two pattern? One is a candle with one side wick or a candle with two side wick. See here, this candle is a red candle having two side wick. This is a green candle having two side wick. But these green candles are having only one side wick and a flat bottom. Likewise, this red candle is having a one side wick and a flat top. So what we are going to see here in our strategy is, we are going to completely ignore the two side wick candles. We are only going to focus on the single side wick candle. For a bullish trend, we are going to see a flat bottom candle. For a bearish trend, we are going to see a flat top candle. And when the first flat bottom green candle is occurring, we are confirming that trend is getting strong in the bullish direction. When a consecutive another flat bottom green candle is occurring, we are confirming that the momentum is also gaining strength. Okay, there should not be any other dual side wick candle in between. It should be consecutive, 1 2. If there is a 2 consecutive green flat bottom candle, we can say that the trend, the momentum, everything is gaining strength, and the breakout of the high of the two candles. What is the high of the two candle? We can mark the high here. This is the high of these two candles. Once it is broken, we can enter. When is the exit? In the high time frame, the exit is two types. One is the same pattern. When it is reversing, we will exit. That is when we get two flat top red candle and the low of the two candles break, we will exit. Otherwise, if you are an aggressive trader, you can exit on a first red candle close. This is the two exit types. So now we check from 2014, we have entered here based on the first exit method, two flat top red candle where we have exited, we will check. Okay, this is the entry price, which is 6,870. We keep it as 7,000. Okay, the year is 2014, you can see here. Now we will go and check the two flat top red candles and mark the bottom, and whether it is broken, we will exit. Okay, so see here, there is one red candle with flat top, no consecutive candles, so this setup is invalid. Again we got a one flat top candle and there is no consecutive candle, this setup is ignored. Here also same, here also same. So we are still in position. We took our position in 7,000. Again the same level is retested, but still what is Heiken Ashi candle telling? There is no clear sell trend and sell momentum, so we are going to hold this. Then again you see the trend is continuing. We didn't get two flat top candles here, the trend is continuing. We get two flat top candles here, we are marking the low didn't broken. Again green candle came, trend is continuing. Here we didn't get any two flat top candle. Then 2020 COVID came. In COVID, first flat top candle and second flat top candle came. We are marking the bottom, low didn't break, the trend is continuing. See here, again in 2022, two consecutive flat top candle came. We are marking the low didn't break, trend is continuing. Again we didn't get any two consecutive flat top candle. Now we came here in 2025, we got a two consecutive flat top candle. We mark the low and the low broke, we exit here. The price is 22,000. From 7,000 in 2014 to 22,000 in 2025, entire 10 years there is no exit given by this monthly time frame Heiken Ashi candle. The same thing will apply to stocks also. You can see in stocks also, you can see the same pattern in the monthly time frame. See, we are entering here. Here is a two flat bottom candle, break up the high, we are entering here. No two consecutive flat top candle came till date. The stock is holding still, but in normal candle there will be tons of red candle, and also there is no clear exit signal. As per this Heiken Ashi dual momentum strategy, we are getting a clear entry signal with trend and momentum both, and also the exit signal in the opposite direction with trend and momentum both. We will see a few examples and we will go to lower time frame. See here, two flat bottom candle came, entry, there is no two consecutive flat top candle, still we are in position. In whatever strategy we are using in high time frame, it will be very efficient. When you are going to weekly time frame, what we have to do is we have to actively manage the position and exit earlier using the first red candle itself. So for entry, we can use the two dual momentum. See here, we got a two dual momentum bottom. On the break of the high, we are entering. Where we will exit on the first red candle close, we should exit, because this is not monthly time frame. So there will be whipsaws. So to avoid it and to avoid the profit loss, we are made a profit here. If we wait for few more months, we can lose the 50% or the entire profit we made in this moment. So what we are doing in low time frame, for entry only we are using dual momentum candle and high break. For exit, whenever we see a single red candle on the red candle closing price, we exit the position. Okay. Similarly, we can go and see in the daily time frame also. See here, we will go to some other stock. See here, we got two green candle, high didn't break, no entry. Here you see two green flat bottom candle, broken entry here, exit on the first red candle, close. Again where we get two flat bottom, here we get two flat bottom, entry on the high, first red candle, close, we exit. Okay. Similarly, we can use this strategy in daily, weekly and monthly time frame, but always monthly time frame is very strong. What we can do is we can go for monthly time frame. You can use also multi time frame method. In monthly time frame, we can check the trend. In monthly time frame, if the momentum is green, for example, see this State Bank of India from September 2025, October 2025, the momentum is strong. Now we are coming to weekly time frame or daily time frame. Now we come to daily time frame. From October 2025, the momentum is strong. No, so we have to enter in the SBIN using the dual momentum strategy from October 2025. See here, this is October 2025. See here onwards, the momentum is gaining. Whenever you get dual momentum, take on the breakout, exit on the first red candle. See dual momentum, first red candle, exit. Dual momentum, first red candle, exit. Dual momentum, high broke, first red candle, exit. Dual momentum, first red candle, exit. Similarly, we can use a multi time frame approach. We can check the dual momentum trending condition in the monthly time frame, and then we can come to the daily time frame of the same script, and on the daily time frame we can actively manage the position by entering on the breakout of the two dual momentum bullish candle, then exit on the first close of the red candle. So this is a momentum based strategy, so we will not allow to the momentum getting lost. A momentum trader should be actively managing his position. So in the monthly time frame he can check the momentum and the trend, and in the daily time frame he can use the active management method of first red candle exit to exit this position. Okay, so hope this strategy will be useful for you. Similarly, we are going to post lots of strategies in this YouTube channel for free, so please follow us, like and subscribe our channel. Next week I am going to give you a unique Bollinger Band strategy, which is also a momentum strategy. We are not going to see the walking the band strategy, the reversal methods, those things we are not going to see. We are going to see only momentum based strategies in this channel. So a unique Bollinger Band momentum secret will be revealed next week. So keep subscribed and switch on the notification, so that whenever I post a strategy, it will be immediately notified to you. Always remember, which strategy is feeling easy for us is the right strategy. Very complex methods, numbers of indicators is not going to give result. Only simple systems is going to give result in this market. So this channel is entirely run on the philosophy of easy is right. So here you are going to find strategies which are very easy to execute, very rule based, clear entry exit is defined, so that anybody who is simply understanding the concept can check that. You please go to your TradingView account or any other platform. In every platform the Heiken Ashi candle will be available. Use the monthly time frame, check all the F&O stocks. Okay, check all the F&O stocks. Don't believe me, you go, you back test, and then you believe. Okay, so please follow us for the next strategy. Thank you.